DOGGIE Hush Noise Cancelling Dog Headphones, calming earmuffs for anxiety relief from fireworks, thunder and loud urban sounds. For many dogs, loud noises can trigger overwhelming anxiety, making everyday experiences like fireworks, thunderstorms, or bustling city streets distressing and traumatic. Enter DOGGIE Hush Dog Headphones, the original, patented noise protection ear muffs for dogs, designed in the USA with both functionality and comfort in mind. These thoughtfully engineered headphones are more than just a cute accessory. They're a scientifically developed solution to help your dog stay calm and safe in loud, unpredictable environments. DOGGIE Hush is built to specifically address the needs of noise-sensitive dogs, buffering disruptive sounds like fireworks, construction, leaf blowers, traffic, or thunder without isolating your pet from the world around them. Unlike traditional noise-canceling gear that blocks all sound and may leave a dog disoriented, DOGGIE Hush ear covers use advanced sound buffering technology. This allows your dog to remain aware of its surroundings while still receiving protection from the most anxiety-inducing, high-decibel noise. The result? A more relaxed, confident pup, no matter the situation. Proper fit is key to making these dog ear muffs effective, and the makers of DOGGIE Hush make the process simple. A visual sizing chart and easy step-by-step fitting instructions ensure a snug, secure, and safe experience for your dog, regardless of breed or size. Just a few small adjustments, and you'll provide your dog with long-lasting comfort and noise relief. Constructed from lightweight, waterproof materials with a soft-touch interior, DOGGIE Hush headphones are designed to feel more like a calming hug than a restrictive headset. There's no squeezing, no uncomfortable pressure, and no slipping or scratching. Dogs can wear them for extended periods during holidays, storms, travel, or even while out on a noisy walk, always staying comfortable and protected. Born out of love for a noise-anxious pup, DOGGIE Hush represents more than just an innovative product. It's part of a growing movement to redefine canine wellness through empathetic and evidence-based design. For pet owners who want to actively support their dog's emotional health, these calming ear muffs offer a gentle, non-invasive alternative to medication or training alone. With DOGGIE Hush, your dog no longer has to suffer in silence or fear. Whether it's the crackle of fireworks on the 4th of July or a sudden clap of thunder, give your pet the peace and calm they deserve, and give yourself peace of mind in the process. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video.